Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to search transcripts in Otter AI in 2026. If you want to quickly find specific words, names, or topics without reading an entire transcript, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Otter AI account. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see all of your recorded and imported conversations. Next, open the transcript you want to search. If you have many conversations, you can also use the main search bar on the dashboard to locate a specific meeting before opening it. Now look for the search box inside the transcript. Type the keyword, phrase, or speaker name you're looking for, then press enter or select the search result. Otter AI will instantly highlight every matching word or phrase in the transcript. Click on any result to jump directly to that section of the conversation without scrolling through the entire document. Next, review the highlighted results to find the exact information you need. This feature is especially useful for locating action items, project updates, meeting decisions, or important questions. If needed, edit the transcript, highlight important sections, or rename the conversation after finding the information you're looking for. Finally, use the search feature regularly whenever you're reviewing meetings. It helps you save time, stay organized, and quickly access important details from any transcript. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to search transcripts in Otter AI step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.